Today, we will show how to repair a Toyota RAV4 instrument cluster using the Ultra S Prog. Cluster chip number S6J3001LSJ. Step 1. Confirm original mileage. Power on the cluster. Original mileage 2,500 kilometers. Step 2. Select the correct module and chip number. Important! Before launching the software, make sure the programmer is powered on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. Open the Ultra S Prog software. Select Options, Cluster, Toyota, RAV4 S6J3001. OK. Step 3. Check the wiring diagram. Click Diagram to open the HD wiring diagram. Connect the CAN adapter to the cluster as shown. Step 4. Connect the programmer. Once everything is ready, plug the adapter into the Ultra S Prog. Step 5. Read or write mileage. Click Read/Write Mileage. The software starts the process automatically. Data reading begins. Once reading is complete, save the data as a backup first. Enter the target mileage, 1,000 kilometers. Click Modify. The software writes the data automatically. Step 6. Verify the result. Disconnect the adapter from the programmer. Power on the cluster again. Mileage successfully updated to 1,000 kilometers. Job done! Done entirely on the bench with the CAN adapter. No need to open the cluster or solder anything. Simple and efficient from start to finish. Finally, unplug the CAN adapter and reconnect the original connector. Ready to install back into the car.